Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. In today's episode, what is LBYM? And no, it's money related, so let's talk about it. Let's go back to school. This is a basic fundamental teaching. LBYM, living below your means. It's a really simple concept. This thing been around for a long time, and I am sure this thing been around before the internet. Except it was found in books. But when the internet first came out, you could find it on the AOL chat rooms. Yahoo forums had it. The Motley Fool forums had it. This is way before the FIRE movement. This is also way before a minimalist lifestyle. But here's another way to look at it. It is the cost of living is less than your means. Now, some of you may still say, well, what does that mean? It means your spending needs to be less than your income. It is simple as that. Do you need a balanced budget? Well, balanced budget is only a good place to start, but you still need a surplus cash at the end of the month. And that's the key of living below your means. If you spend 20 grand, that's okay if you make 30. If you spend 50 grand, it's fine if you make 70. If you spend 100 grand, it's fine if you make 120 or 130. The key is to live below what you make. It is that simple. There's no other strategy that we're going to discuss here. It is a simple mindset. It is a simple thing that you can do. This thing's been around long time. It is sort of the precursor to FIRE movement and even the minimalist lifestyle. With that being said, let me know what you're doing. If you don't understand this, that's okay. Go Google it. There's a lot of places that you can read and find a lot of good tips on this. This brings this current episode to an end. Hope you found this one interesting and simple to understand. If you found this too simple, I have other videos that are a little bit harder. Look at the Investing 102 series or the Exposed by Math series. Each of those are a little bit longer because I spend more time teaching the concept so that you can understand it much better. Don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.